Hello, lanyard or no lanyard. Having recently purchased my first drone, took it for its first maiden flight and quickly realised that the controller is somewhat vulnerable to being dropped. I went onto the DJI website and couldn't find anything that took my fancy, so next port of call of course is Amazon, and found a company called Startrc. My choice from Startrc is this remote control lanyard, which is suitable for DJI RC, RC2, RC Pro and RC Plus. Let's open the box. We have a really nice quality lanyard. The material is double leather and the aesthetics of it look fantastic. So in with the lanyard neck strap are two fasteners. So let's build this up. Taking the screws, simply screw them in to the bottom of the controller like so. Once these are in, they can stay in. Taking the second one, likewise screw that into the controller. The lanyard has these fantastic clips or hooks. Taking the second one, and now the controller is safe. Excellent quality, really well made, aesthetically pleasing, fully adjustable, makes the controller feel safe in your hands, keeps your hands free should you need to move your hands around, does not affect the flying of the drone. In fact, it actually enhances the flying because you've got full concentration on visual line of sight, takeoff and landing operations. Startrc are professionals in their equipment and accessories for UAV flying. My choice of lanyard, in fact it enhances the flying of the drone, knowing that the controller is safe. This is suitable for all DJI control units, the RC, the RC2, the RC Pro and the RC Plus.